In this lecture, I will cover comparable, comparator, and collections class in Java. Comparable interface is used to order the objects of the user-defined class. So this class should implement comparable interface uh, to become comparable. Uh, Comparable interface provides compare2 method, which is used to compare this object or current object with the specified object, the object obj in this case. So obj argument. So in this case, it will return positive integer if the current object is greater than specified object. It should return negative integer if the current object is less than specified object, and 0 if the current object is equal to the specified object. So let's see it in example. So let's create some class and make it comparable. Let's create product class. So price. Let's make it integer. So for example, we can do it dub. Okay, let's see. Integer. Okay, it's not the case, so we can make it integer, make it double, and so on. Create. Okay. Let's create a constructor and the getters and setters. And make it comparable. So comparable is generic, so we can work with like product. It requires to implement comparator method. Okay, let's compare this object of this class based on their price. Return this price means so in this case we can use it as comparable. So we make this custom class comparable only using the comparable interface. Also, we have a comparatory interface, so in this case, we don't need to implement this interface. We can just create it like this. For example, let's create So in this case, compare method uh, works same as the compare2 method of the comparable interface. So if the first object is greater than second object, second or two argument, then it should return one. If O2 is greater than O1, it should return negative number. If they are same, it should return 0. We can do it as class, but we can also do it as like this, because we wanted to implement only one method, so it's fine to use it like this. Also, Java 8 provides some, for example, Java 8 provides default methods, default methods and static methods listed in the slide. But they has also in Java 8 they has only two abstract methods and also many static methods and default methods, which we don't need to implement. So Java provides also collections class, which is useful utility class to work with the collections in Java. So in this case, collection class contains only static methods that operates on collections and return them. So they can be like some specific operations which is frequently used, like add all, copy, fill, replace, shuffle, and so on. It can be algorithms as a binary search, like sort and so on, or getting minimums, getting maximums, and so on. Also, we have synchronized wrappers, which will just make our collection synchronizable. So, in this case, for example, if you work with the hash map and hash map is not synchronized, so you want to work with this map in multi-threaded application, you should just make this map synchronized, so you can make it synchronized using this method. Also, unmodifiable wrappers. There are some unmodifiable wrappers which makes collection immutable, because so for example, when you use some methods, you can just accidentally modify the collection, and then it's hard to find this kind of errors, so you can just make your collection unmodifiable and then work with them. Okay, let's see some examples of the collections classes methods. For example, sorting. So let's create a list of the products and then sort products. milk. Okay, let's fill this list. And then let's try to sort it. Sort. Oh, products with. Okay, let's create toString method. Okay, it's fine for us. So it's sorted like by the price, like this. Also, we can use comparator to sort it by the shelf life. So in this case, we should use like uh, so in this case, it was sorted by the shelf life. So comparator can be represented as lambda uh, function. So in this case, we can use like this. And so on. Okay, this video is over, so you can write me your questions if some appears. If